Math Gad.
Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video in which we're going to be learning about indirect proof by contrapositive, which is a term we use in geometry and also in logic. So guys, the first thing we have to know is that a conditional and a contrapositive, the contrapositive of that conditional are logically equivalent, which means that they have the same truth value. So that means that if you prove the contrapositive, you have also proven the conditional. Now we're going to use this logic in order to do indirect proof. We're going to prove the contrapositive of a conditional, and that way we can prove that that conditional is going to be true. Okay guys, so in order to do that, we're going to follow some steps. The first one is that we have to assume that not Q is true. So the negative of the conclusion is true. By doing that, we're going to show that with that assumption, that leads to not P. So that leads to that draws us into a negative hypothesis. So that means that the negative Q, then negative P, will allow us to conclude that the conditional P then Q must be true. Okay, so now take a screenshot or copy this if you need to, and we'll continue with the problem. So in this case, we are going to be using the steps mentioned before to prove by contrapositive the following statement. So if today is a weekend day, it is Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so again, the first step that we're going to use is that we're going to assume that not Q is true, right? So remember, we had P, then Q. So it is Saturday or Sunday. We're going to assume that the negative of that is not true. So we're going to say that it is not Saturday or Sunday, right? Then we're going to show that that assumption leads to negative P. So now we're going to see that negative P would be it is not a weekend day. So we're going to say that if it's not Saturday or Sunday, that means that it is either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, right? So that means that it is not a weekend day. Because since we're saying that it is either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, we're saying that it is a weekday, not a weekend day. So what we're doing is that we're showing that negative Q, or it is not Sunday or Saturday, meaning that it is not a weekend day. With this, we are concluding that in fact, if today is a weekend day, it is Saturday or Sunday is actually true. Okay, so what we did in this case, guys, is that we first tried to do the contrapositive, and now since we're proving that the contrapositive is true, right? We're proving that this statement here is true, then we're proving that the normal one or the conditional one we were giving in the beginning is also true. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!